This is Mariette from HowToExpo.com. Today I'm going to prepare a very delicious salad with elbow macaroni, green peas and mayonnaise. It's delicious, it's very easy to make. It will disappear from your table the moment you put it. To print this recipe, visit HowToExpo.com. First, we boil around 10 cups of water. Add 3 cups of elbow macaroni in the boiling water and let it cook for 9 minutes. After boiling 9 minutes, I rinse the elbow macaroni until it cooled down. It has to be cool before you mix it with the remaining ingredients. I put 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I use olive oil mayonnaise with reduced fat. Add around 2 cups of green peas and mix well. Now the peas are all creamy. Add half red bell pepper sliced thinly. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. The reason I do this way is to make all the ingredients combined with the peas and red bell pepper, so when I add the macaroni over it, it's easily combined. If you like more macaroni, you can add. If you like more green peas, you can add. It's how you prefer. If you like mayo to be more than 3 tablespoons, you can increase that too. I think it's thoroughly mixed and ready to be served. You can sprinkle black pepper over it or even paprika if you wish. It's done. It's beautiful, it's tasty. It goes well with roasted chicken, steaks or on its own. I hope you give it a try. This is Mariette and see you soon. To print this recipe, visit HowToExpo.com.